Hi my lovelies, today we are making Khatti Meethi Fruit Chaat. Ingredients you need are fruits of your choice. I'm taking 2 peaches, 2 apples, 2 mangoes and some grapes. We're going to chop the fruits. I'm going to start with the peaches and then transfer them in a bowl. Then I will cut some mangoes. Gonna cut the mangoes and then scoop them out with a spoon. Gonna transfer all the mangoes, chopped mangoes in the bowl. Then I will cut some grapes in half. If you have small grapes, you don't have to do it, but these are big ones, so I'm gonna cut them half and then put them in the bowl. Now the apples, same thing, I'm gonna cut them in cubes and then put them in with the rest of the ingredients. Now I will add 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 large lemon. I have my hand under the lemon so I can collect all the seeds. Gonna take all the juice but take out all the seeds. Now I'm gonna add half teaspoon of chaat masala. Now mix everything together nicely. Everything needs to be well coated on the fruits. Once well coated, we are gonna take it out in a bowl or a tray, whatever you prefer. The fruits I used were in the fridge and they were cold, but if your fruits are not cold, make sure you put your chaat in the fridge for at least 2 hours before serving. Chaat is ready. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Take care. Bye bye.